Did you know people die early if they have no friends?
Whoa, what? Die?
Yeah, like literally, no friends means a short life.
That is, scary, very scary.
Right? Welcome to English Pod Center. I'm Luna.
And I'm Lucas, and I want to live a long time.
Me too, Lucas. So today we are talking about friends. No, wait, best friends.
Best friends. I love my best friend.
But here is the problem. A lot of people, they don't know the difference.
The difference between a friend and a best friend?
Exactly. Like, I have a friend at work. We say hello, but she is not my best friend. Oh, right. I mean, you don't call her at night. Never. So what makes a best friend?
They give you money?
What? No. Lucas, no.
Wait, I don't get it. My friend buys me pizza. That is good.
Pizza is good, but a best friend is... Okay, think about winter.
Winter. It's very cold.
Yes, a normal friend is like a nice hat.
Okay, a hat.
But a best friend is like a big warm coat.
A coat. Wait, why a coat?
Because a coat covers you. It makes you feel safe.
Oh, now I get it. Safe.
Yes, safe. You can be ugly, and the coat doesn't care.
Ugly. That is true. When I wake up, my hair is bad.
Very bad. I have seen it.
Hey.
But your best friend does not care. They see the bad hair and stay.
Right. So a best friend is they accept you.
Yes, that is a big word. Accept. It means they say, you are okay.
Like when I eat 5 slices of pizza.
5? Geez.
Yeah, a normal friend says, stop eating.
Mm-hmm.
But my best friend, he eats the 6th slice.
Exactly. You are bad together.
Yes, we are bad together. So what is another thing?
Another thing about best friends? The big S word.
The S word? Soup?
No, Lucas, not soup. Why are you always hungry?
I don't know. I love food. What is the word?
Secret. S-E-C-R-E-T.
Oh, wow. Secrets. That is very important.
Very, very important. A secret is a thing you do not tell other people.
Right. Like, I don't want my mom to know.
Exactly. If you tell a best friend a secret,
They zip their mouth like this. Zip.
yes, they do not tell anyone. That is called trust.
Trust. T-R-U-S-T. Good spelling. Trust is when you know they are good. You feel safe. Wait, really? Like the warm coat again?
Yes, the warm coat. See, it connects.
Oh, wow. My mind is boom.
Because if there is no trust...
Then the coat is cold. The coat has a hole.
Exactly, a big hole, and the cold air comes in.
Brr, I hate cold air, and I hate bad friends.
Me too. Let me give you an example, can I?
Yes, please. Tell me a story, Luna.
Okay, so, last year, I broke my phone.
Oh no, did it smash? Like boom?
Yes, boom, total, glass everywhere.
That is the worst. So sad.
Very sad, and I needed to call my boss. It was a big emergency.
Oh, did you ask your friend?
Yes, I ran to my best friend's house. I was like crying.
Crying? Oh, Luna.
Yeah, and she didn't ask questions. She just gave me her phone.
Wow, just gave it to you?
Just gave it. That is trust. She knew I needed help.
She is a good warm coat.
Yes, the best warm coat.
Wait, what if she said no?
If she said no, then maybe she is not my best friend.
Right, because friends help, friends share.
Exactly, friends share. So Lucas, I have a game.
A game? For me? I love games.
For you and for, the listeners.
Oh, okay. Listeners, get ready.
It is a practice game. Very easy.
Okay, I am listening.
Think of one person, just one.
Okay, I am thinking.
If you fall down, who helps you stand up?
Oh, that is good. Who helps me stand up?
Yes, think of their name. Got it?
Yes, I got the name. It is my brother.
Your brother. See? He is your best friend.
Wow. Yes, my brother is my best friend.
So, practice this. Send him a message today.
Send a message. What do I write?
Write, thank you for being a good friend.
Thank you for being a good friend. I like that.
It is so simple, but it makes them happy.
Yes, it makes the coat warmer.
You really love this code idea.
I literally love it. It is so easy to understand.
Good, because English, well, it can be hard.
Very hard. But you make it easy, Luna.
Aw, thank you, Lucas.
Wait, I have a question for the people listening.
Oh, engagement time. Tell them.
Yes, listeners, who is your best friend?
Good question. And why? Why are they your best friend?
Yes, why? Do they give you food?
Food is important. Sharing pizza is true love.
Literally, pizza friends are best friends.
Write your answer below. We want to read them.
Yes, write the name, write the reason.
And if you like this lesson,
You know what to do.
hit that subscribe button.
Follow us right here at English Pod Center.
English Pod Center is your best friend for English.
Oh, that is a good line, Luna.
I tried.
Well, we will see you next time.
Keep practicing, keep trusting.
Bye, everyone. Warm coats for all.